prime lens, zoom lens. Which one do you get? Which one do you not need? In this video, we're gonna ballot it out between the Canon 50mm lens and the Canon 24-70 f4 lens. I think they're both good. I haven't tested it out just yet. Let's find out. Stick around. So you guys, we're out here at my buddy's place and we're gonna compare my 24-70 lens. We're gonna be zooming in 24, 35, 50, and 70mm on our 24-70mm, and we're gonna be stationary. With my prime lens, my 50mm lens, obviously I'm gonna have to move back and forth. We're gonna be zooming in on this blue microphone that I just got, so it's gonna be stationed right over there. We're gonna be about 12 feet back. I'm just gonna see how much I have to move with this guy in terms of how I don't have to move with this guy. We got our item that we're gonna be zooming in on, our blue microphone, and I'm gonna be standing right about there, and that's about 12 feet, and I'm just gonna be zooming in from 24mm, 35, 50, and 70. This thing's gonna be moving, I'm not gonna be moving, and I'm gonna be switching between this lens. When I go 24, I'll pop the other lens on, see how much I have to get that similar shot. Let's test it out right now, and here we go. All right guys, this is at 24mm, standing at 12 feet. So this is at just about 24mm. For this shot, I'm staying really far back. Didn't know that this was going to be in frame or not, but you can tell how far back I had to stand from 12 feet with the zoom lens. So we're going to take that similar shot right now, and here we go. Alright, as you can see, it's going really far. What are we at, man?
23 feet.
Alright guys, so we just pulled out the tape measure and I stood about 11.5 feet back from where I started to get that similar shot from the zoom lens. The next shot we're going to get is at a 35mm with the zoom lens, and then we'll compare it again to how much I have to move with the 50mm. Alright, so now we're going to be zooming into 35, which is not very far from 24, but let's see how much of a difference that is. Alright, so this is now with the 50mm. I'm just eyeballing it, you guys, so it's not going to be perfect because, again, this is a prime lens, so no zoom. Okay. So I'm going to be standing right where I stood for the 50mm for the 35mm shot. What are we at?
19 feet.
19 feet. So from the starting point, how much?
7 feet.
About 7 feet from the starting point. We're shooting on the zoom lens at 50mm. Obviously, I was at 50mm with the zoom lens. This is a 50mm prime lens, so I don't really have to move anywhere. As you can tell with this shot. The last one we're going to be doing is 70mm on the zoom lens, and you'll see how far I have to move forward to get that same shot. Okay, now we're going to be shooting 70mm with the 50mm prime lens, and obviously I moved up, but here's the shot. Alright you guys, so that's the difference between the zoom lens and the prime lens. I had to move around a lot with the prime lens and nothing with the zoom lens. So yeah guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Leave a comment in the comment section down below and tell me which one would you choose, the Canon 50mm prime lens or the Canon 24-70 zoom lens. Let us know what your opinion is. I would like to know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell up on top so you know when I post next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.